Or right here.
Alright, follow me. Where?
Look at that thing flying, dude. Yeah, that's it.
Alright. Yeah, it's coming. You're right. Alright, well, we're going to the stairwell.
Ballin', look at all that stuff in the air, Gordo. Gordo, look at all that stuff flying around. Oh, that was like blue? It sounds just like a... Listen to it.
Alright, man. You want to get the stairwell?
I want to see it come out around here. Oh, that was awesome. Look how big that thing is. There's so much debris in the air.
It's time to get inside.
Behind you.
Dude, look at the thing. Come on, dude. You gotta crank your neck and look at it, bro. The porch over there. You go back inside. Maybe, I guess it should. Did it just go around? Is it going that way?
Power just go out.
Yeah.
That's so ballin'.
Now it's over that way. Wendy's, Holla.
Thomas's house. Thomas doesn't even have a basement.